Hey y'all, welcome to this gorgeous new listing at 2312 First Colony Way. This home sits on a 1/4 acre. It's more than 2,500 square feet, 4 beds, 2.5 bathrooms, and it has been meticulously cared for by its owners. From inside to out, upstairs and downstairs, it has been updated. From the really fun things like the kitchen and the bathrooms to the not as fun things that are necessary, like the dual zone HVAC systems, the roof. There's honestly too many things for me to tell you about, but I want you to see it for yourself. So let's go inside.